Hi, I'm here literally just to go to Mexico, eat Tres Leches, and watch Illuminations. So it's gonna be a really quick video. Bye, Epcot!
I'm gonna go in that puppy.
Hello.
So cute. Where's the? These are all here. It's only 8:07.
So, like I said, I'm pretty much literally only here to go to Mexico. It's probably my favorite country in World Showcase, so that's something. But also yesterday, I tried the Tres Leches that they're serving at the Flower and Garden Festival, and it was amazing. So I will be eating it once again, and then I'm gonna go on the Mexico boat ride, and then watch Illuminations. Eating on a trash can. Here it is. It's kind of dark, so here's a brighter picture. It looks different than when I got it yesterday, but like yesterday, it was delicious. It's so good. If you come here before June, get it. It's delicious. And here's that. So that was Grand Fiesta Tour, which is fine. It's one of my I like it a lot actually, because like it's just kind of stupid. But yeah, that's San Angel Inn. It's a restaurant that isn't great. What else? This video is going to be really quick. Here's Choza de Margarita. They have good margaritas and like also some good food. And then here's the quick service restaurant over there that has even better food. Like they got queso. If you're looking for queso, that's a good snack to get. And then over there was another table service restaurant that's a little less casual than, or sorry, a little more casual than the one inside the pyramid.
Reflections of Earth.
Okay, that's the vlog. It's the world's quickest Mexico Epcot World Showcase vlog. Illuminations is good and Tres Leches is good and the Mexico boat ride's good. Okay, goodbye.